In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate Google AdSense account. If your AdSense access was paused or disabled and you're ready to ask for another review, the most reliable way is to use the support request inside your account. I'll walk you through the exact path and share a few tips so your request is clear and easy for the review team to evaluate. First, go to your Google AdSense account in a web browser. It's best to use a desktop or laptop so you can see all menu options. Make sure you're signed in with the Google profile that owns the AdSense account you want to reactivate. If you manage multiple profiles, confirm you're in the right one before moving on. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the AdSense dashboard for the help icon. It appears as a small question mark. Click that icon to open the help panel. From the help panel, select Contact Us. This takes you to Google's contact flow for AdSense. You may see a quick form asking what you need help with. Use the text field to state clearly that you want to reactivate your account. Keep it short, factual, and specific. For example, you can mention when the account was deactivated, the general reason provided in any emails you received, and what you've done to address the issue. If you have relevant details that help identify your account, include them, but avoid sharing private information that isn't requested. The goal is to show that you understand the policy concern and that the account is now ready for review. Submit the form. After you send your request, the Google team will review your concern. Processing times can vary, so patience helps here. Monitor the inbox linked to your AdSense account for updates, and keep an eye on the messages area inside AdSense as well. If a follow-up question arrives, respond promptly and completely to keep the review moving. Try not to submit duplicate requests. One well-prepared submission is better than several partial ones. That's all there is to it. Sign into your AdSense account, click the question mark, choose Contact Us, explain that you want to reactivate, and wait for the review. I hope this walkthrough makes the process straightforward and less stressful. If you're thorough and clear in your message, you'll give the reviewers everything they need to take a fresh look at your account. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your reactivation.